crushing it. It's alright. It's okay, we'll push another one. Here, put your glove up. Just hold it up, you not come back. Alright, let's walk towards him. And you walk towards. Oh, there goes. Ho, 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 ho! I'll give you a tidbit. You can get it back on the glove if you want. Cross the fence first. He ran this way, so against the wind. Pump, buddy, pump, pump, pump. Oh no. Try it in this bush line in case the rabbit's in there still. I think it's in this brush line here, if you want to take him back. The rabbit used the wind. He might come back. Alright, try this. Oh, jackrabbit. Alright, let's keep going. Oh my god. Is it in there? Oh, there it goes. Run and grab his back leg. Back leg. I'm gonna get it. It's a jack, sorry, hold on. Get a hold of it. So here's a cottontail, I want to let you grab it, but I want to make sure you got this jack, even though it's young.